Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer USDT from OKX to Bybit. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and open up our Bybit app first, and we have to go and you have to make sure that you have set up your wallet right over here. Once you have set up your wallet, you're going to go switch to your asset, and you're going to go ahead copy the address of your particular asset, or you can simply go to the deposit section, go ahead deposit a crypto, and go ahead choose the one that you would like to deposit. For us it's a USDD. Go ahead search the USDT over here and simply search it up and go ahead get the address of it. Once you have got the address of your particular asset, you're going to go back to your OKX wallet, open it up, get verified, go to the sender withdrawal section, and go ahead enter the address that we just copied and enter the amount and the currency. Choose, make sure it's USDT, and review the transaction and confirm it, and that's how you will be able to do so. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.